How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2506 FK. So at the very front here, we're going to have your outdoor fridge. Perfect little size to keep your drinks cold. You do have automatic jacks down below. And then taking a step back, you can see how huge this massive awning is. You also have dual entrance on either side. On the right, it's going to be the main entrance to the camper, and then to the left, it's going to be your bedroom entrance. Nice solid steps underneath, as well as big grab handles on the left of those doors. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that this camper is dual axle. You have a TV backer already put in place, as well as a nice big sound system. Off the back of this camper, you're going to have your pass-through storage. Now, normally it is at the front, but on this floor plan they decided to put it in the back. You can check out that aluminum framing as you could peek in there. At the very back of this camper, you're going to have backup camera prep, nice heavy duty ladder, hitch receiver down below, as well as your spare tire. And then moving to the driver's side, we have the other side of your pass-through storage, as well as your water heater. You also have your cable and satellite hookups, as well as an outdoor shower and your 30 amp plug-in. Only one slide out on this little guy. And then at the very front of the camper, you're going to have your battery disconnect switch, battery, propane tanks, and your power tongue jack. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of the camper, to the left of your entry door, you're going to find your control panel, and it is on a motion light, which is really nifty. You also have your solar controller right there, and then your front kitchen. So like we said, 2506 FK. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, microwave above all of that, and then you have your single basin sink, tons of storage. On either side of that sink, you do have pop-up outlets, and then to the left here, you're going to have your pantry area. Now to the left, you're going to find your slide out area, and it is going to be your theater seating. So obviously it does recline. You do have 4 cup holders all together. This middle portion does pop up if you need to seat somebody extra. On either side of the ends of the theater seating, you do have little slots to put little table toppers that do come with the camper. And then to round off your kitchen area, you have your fridge to the right of your entry door. So this fridge does open from both sides. And then the freezer bottom portion pulls out. As far as your entertainment center goes, you have a smart TV up above with a sound bar built in. You have a little bit of storage, and then your fireplace down below. Moving towards the middle of the camper, we're going to run into your bathroom. So you have a porcelain toilet right away. You have your shower to the left of that with a nice big skylight to give you a little bit of extra headroom. Of course, you have your shower miser. And then across from that, you're going to have your sink, vanity, and then more storage down below. At the very front of this camper, you're going to find your main bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. You do have outlets on either side of the bed, as well as little night lights above with tons of storage. Nice own little window, which is really cool. And then underneath the bed, you have even more storage. Now there's going to be your second entrance that we saw on the outside, as well as your TV backer. All right, guys, that's going to be your Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2506 FK. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And then your front kitchen. So like we said, 2506 FK. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, microwave above all of that, and then you have your